Hey everyone, Yogesh here from Utilize the Business, and in this video I'm going to do a product review on ConvertBox. It's a nice little software that you can use it not only to build email lists but also to show different offer depending on how a visitor is interacting with your website. So stick around till the end of the video. You're going to know all about all the features, how you can get access, and how you can install in your WordPress website. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. So what is ConvertBox? ConvertBox is sort of like a pop-up that you can see when you visit a lot of different websites. It could be you can use it as an exit pop-up where you're trying to exit and you actually show, hey, wait, a 50% offer or a lifetime, price guaranteed offer, something like that. Before you go, do you want a free report or something like that, so they can actually, add to your email list, or actually will take an offer which is a discount offer, or you can show them different offer, or at least, add them to your email list. So similar to some of the other software, if you're familiar with, such as Opt-in Master is the first one that I can think of it from top of my mind. So the idea is to interact with the visitors visiting your thing and somehow show them what they're interested in by using a lot of different ways, such as showing them a quiz, or showing them a different offer, if they're not interested in an offer because the price is too high or whatever it is, showing them a different offer at a lower price, or at least giving them a lead magnet, which is a free report or something, free ebook or something like that. In return, you can get their email, so you can add them into your email list. Then later on, you can email them about new offers or any existing offer, anything special that's going on. So that's an idea behind the ConvertBox. Now, the only reason that it attracted me is I've been sort of doing this YouTube channel. I'm also have a blog in the same name, Utilize Your Business blog. So on that blog, I actually do follow other bloggers which are generating a lot higher income, and that's what I want to do, or that's how I want my blog to be. So I've actually looked at the review that they talk about this ConvertBox, and I actually signed up last week and actually start testing it on blogs. So let's see how it is and what am I testing it, and what are the other features that you can test it on your blogs or website that you want to put it on. Welcome back. So if you look at the ConvertBox, their own website, basically what it is targeting everybody. You can target everyone that visits your website or be a specific blog. The main point is to target them, to either at least to get their email address, or just track what are they doing on your website, what links they're clicking on it, so that you can present offers to them. And also you can do a split test to see which of your pop-up works better on your website. And why don't I log into my own ConvertBox website, and then I've just started using it about 3 weeks ago, and I'm very encouraged about the results I'm getting to it. And I'll just show you basically what I'm using it for right now. So I'm actually using it on my 3 different blogs, and so far I'm not capturing any email as of yet, but I'm just popping up to interact with the people. And out of 91 views, there are 8 interaction. Out of 8 interaction, I end up getting 2 sales, which are low-end sales, but I'll tell you how I've set it up my ConvertBox. So if you look at Legendary Marketer, let's look at it. So I've set it up as an exit pop-up. So the one that when you are exiting out of the particular website, a blog, this will come up and this will go over the whole screen, and basically it asks you a question, why, let us know what stopped you from going ahead with the product. First one, if the price is too high or you need too information. If they click on this, I present an offer which is in lower value, meaning if the offer was they're looking at it is for $9.97. I present something else or similar, maybe from different competitors which are offering it at a lower price. If they're looking for information, then I ask them to sign up for a webinar if there's a webinar for this, or I ask them to, I can also ask them to sign up for the email list, and then I can send them a couple of videos on a legendary marketer. So basically how you do it is, let me just show you exactly how I set it up. So let's go back and let's say new ConvertBox. You can just give a name. I'll just do a testing for YouTube, select a group. I'll just create a new group. I'll call it test and save. And then you can go on what kind of ConvertBox you want it. Basically, this is what I have it, and you can do one at the call out where it is on the one side, sticky bar on the top, or central. So let's go to call out, click that. So basically they give you all of these that they are pre-made, or you can build from scratch. So basically I like a pre-made, and then I can customize to myself. So let's say lead generation free trial, we can do that too, or announcement. So any one of them doesn't matter, this is just for test. So let's pick the lead generation. All right, so this is it where you want to have people join in for your email list. So let's add join your email. So here you can edit the text you want it. You can say free report on sales funnel, right? Or free report on how to use sales funnel for your business, right? Something like that. Or you can do a free report on what type of sales funnel you can use it for your business, right? And then email and sign me up. And then here, if you want to edit image, you can do that. The next one is the form setting. So the field, and you can, if you want, you can also add the name if you want it. Email is good enough for me, so just say this is good. And then the button color, if you want to change it, how you're change it to the same color that your website is all about. So it's blue, and then you can anything else you want, but timer in but then for this one we don't need it, and we can go to next step. So trigger, so when you want this to show up, how often do you want to show up? So show up when visitors on page for 5 seconds, if you want to make it longer, or scrolling the page to more than I think 10% or 15, that so at least they are interested in. Frequency, which is good. You can show to each visitor a maximum of 3 times per session. And location is where exactly you want to show. So which is, you want to show it to the whole website you have it, or you have it the blog, you can show them exactly to which page. So for this example, let's use my own blog. Okay, and we go on blog, and I'm just going to pick, let's see, this one. I think we already have it. Do we have it? Okay, how about this? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so this is exact, and right? So that's done. Next. Why is this? Okay, so you can also choose it. I'm using it show to every visitor, which is back, which is fine, and then go to next, and then this is it. So you want to active it, let's say, and finish. So there's no introduction if you continued. Okay, so we forgot to get the, let's go back. And so that's done. Nope. So let's go back to customize. So form setting right here. See, I'm learning it too. So actions and interaction. So select. So I have active campaign out of Aweber's affiliate. Add to the list, and then you can, legendary format to the list and add interaction, right? And save. All right, so let's see if this all right, so now let's go here and see if this things pop up. Okay, right there. So all you gotta do is my email and sign me up, and boom. So you have it. It becomes part of your list, and you have actually captured WordPress and grow your list. So that's one part of the Convert that you can use it. Where did it go? All right, so that's basically how you can set it up and capture the email while showing as a lead candidate. Now there's a lot of different other ways that you can use other type of ConvertBox to segment the clients or something like that. Soon I'm going to be coming out with a lot more other videos where we go through different box that you can use it and help to grow your list and to show people other offers. All right, guys, thank you for watching it all the way here. The price, the lifetime price guarantee, there's a link in the description. You can check it out yourself and see if that fits to you. I think this is, I've used the other ones, but this is one of the better ones that I've used it. And actually, well, I'm just testing it out. I've tested out a couple of them and actually have made a sale with it. So highly recommend it. And I'll say go ahead and at least try to, to grow your list and capture those people who are actually leaving your website. Thanks, guys.